Hi friends, how are you? And welcome back on a new video of JP Online Studies. So friends, before moving further, I would like to tell you that I have selected 20 famous dialogues from different famous movies of Bollywood. So let's get started. So our first dialogue is from the movie Mr. India, Mogambo Khush Hua, and its English would be Mogambo is pleased. Okay, next dialogue. So next dialogue is from my favorite movie, all-time favorite movie, that is from Sholay. Basanti, in kutton ke samne mat nachna. So in English, it would be like that. Basanti, don't dance in front of these dogs. And now you can use scoundrel word in place of dogs because scoundrel stand for dusht. In Hindi, its meaning is dusht. Okay, moving further. Now again, our next dialogue is from the same movie, Sholay. Ab tera kya hoga Kalia? Now you have to speak it like that. Now what will happen to you, Kalia? Next dialogue is from a famous movie, Gangs of Wasipur Part 1. Beta tumse na ho paega. So in English, it would be, Beta, you won't be able to do it. Okay? So moving further, our next dialogue is from the movie Rowdy Rathore. The dialogue is, जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ, जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं definitely करता हूँ. So its English would be, what I speak, I do that, and what I don't speak, I definitely do that. Okay? So our next dialogue is from the movie Anand, and the dialogue is, बाबू मोशाय, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं. So in English, Babu Moshai, life should be big, not long. Yeah, next dialogue is from the recent movie and from your favorite movie star Ranveer Singh and Gully Boy. The movie is Gully Boy. The dialogue is, अपना टाइम आएगा. या आप इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, someday my time will come. अपना टाइम आएगा, someday my time will come. Okay? And moving further, अगले डायलॉग की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. The next dialogue is from the movie Singham. Our favorite star Ajay Devgan, and the dialogue is Atamaji Satakli. Okay, so how will you speak that? Now I'm going mad by anger. You can speak it like that. Okay. And the next dialogue is my favorite one. It's dialogue from Sunny Paji. ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब किसी पे पड़ता है ना, तो वो उठता नहीं है, उठ जाता है. So its English would be, when this 2.5 kilos of hand falls on someone, then the man doesn't get up. He dies. Okay? He dies. मर जाता है, उठ जाता है. उठने का मतलब हो गया मर गया. Okay? Our next dialogue again from the same movie, Sholay. जब तक तेरे पाँव चलेंगे, तब तक इसकी सांस चलेगी. And its English would be, as long as you dance, he will be alive. यानी मतलब क्या हुआ? जब तक आप नाच रहे हो, तब तक उसकी सांस चल रही है, मतलब वो जिंदा है. तो जब तक आप डांस कर रहे हो, पैर चल रहे हैं, मतलब आप डांस कर रहे हो, तब तक वो जिंदा रहेगा. He will be alive. Okay? Moving further, our next dialogue is from the famous personality, our favorite one, Rajini Kant, and the movie is Shivaji the Boss, and the dialogue is, झुंड में तो सुअर आते हैं, शेर अकेला ही आता है. Its English would be, swine come in flock, but lion comes alone. Or you can say, swine come in herd, but lion comes alone. Okay? Our next dialogue is from the movie of Lu Bhai, Wanted. एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Once I have made the commitment, I don't even listen to myself. Once I have made the commitment, I don't even listen to myself. And the next dialogue is all-time favorite from the Shatrupaji. जली को आग कहते हैं, भुजी को राख कहते हैं, जिस राख से बारूद बने उसे विश्वनाथ कहते हैं. So its English would be, burning flames are called fire, what is extinguished is called ash, and that ash is used to make the gunpowder is called Vishwanath. Okay, I hope you like that. So moving further, so next dialogue is from the movie Munna Bhai MBBS, and the dialogue is, ए मामू टेंशन लेने का नहीं देने का. So English would be, not to take tension, only to give. Okay? Our next movie is all-time favorite DDLJ, and the dialogue is, बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं सेनोरिटा. So its English would be, Such small things keep happening in big countries, senorita. Such small things keep happening in big countries, senorita. Okay, so our next dialogue is from the movie of Sunny Deol. So the dialogue is, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख मिलती रही जज साहब, पर इंसाफ नहीं मिला. And its English would be, date has been given on date but not justice, my lord. Okay, date has been given on date, तारीख पे तारीख मिलती रही but not justice, इंसाफ नहीं. Okay, the next dialogue from the movie Sholay again, जो डर गया समझो मर गया. English is, the one who gets scared get died. जो डर जाता है get scared, वो मर जाता है, get died. Next dialogue is from the movie Devdas and the dialogue is, एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. तो रमेश बाबू को कीमत बताते हैं इंग्लिश के अंदर, What do you know about the cost of a pinch of vermilion, रमेश बाबू. सिंदूर को हम वर्मिलियन बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. ओके, नेक्स्ट डायलॉग इज फ्रॉम द मूवी दंगल. हमारी छोरियां के छोरों से कम है के, आर माई गर्ल्स लेसर देन द बॉयज इन एनी वेज. किसी भी तरह कम है मेरी बेटियां, हैं मेरी छोरियां कम है. ओके, सो आर माई गर्ल्स लेसर देन द बॉयज इन एनी वेज. ओके फाइन, मूविंग फर्दर. लास्ट डायलॉग एंड इसमें मुझे आपका थम्स अप चाहिएगा. जा सिमरन जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. गो सिमरन गो एंड लिव योर लाइफ. सो Mugambo is happy again, Mugambo is pleased again. Bye bye, see you, meet you in the next video. Thank you.